Hey, it's Krista with WTI. Are you ready to take your kitchen's aesthetic to the next level? Well, behold the HomArtist large glass containers with bamboo lids. They'll definitely upgrade your pantry space. These containers were designed with sleekness and sophistication in mind. Their glass basin with stylish bamboo lids really redefine and upgrade the idea of kitchen storage. I like to keep stocked up on baking basics and grains for my soups for the winter, so having ample storage is essential. With a whopping 180-ounce capacity in the larger container and 93-ounce capacity in the smaller, these containers surely can easily accommodate a large sack of flour, sugar, or grains. While having beautiful food storage was important for my open pantry space, the quality of the contents is really always my first priority. I was so pleased when I saw that the bamboo lids on this set provide a completely airtight seal, ensuring that my ingredients will stay dry, fresh, and maintain their quality until I'm ready to put them to use. I have officially said goodbye to pantry chaos and hello to beautiful, sophisticated organization with the HomArtist glass container set. And that's my point of view.